And he moves and flies.
Wait, open that door. Who's at the door? I don't see anyone.
Sure? Are you sure? No. I don't see anyone here. Why does it just
What is that?
here? What's that? I don't know. I don't know.
Amazon package.
Wow.
Merry Christmas.
Is this like an early Christmas gift?
I don't know. I have no clue what it is.
I don't know
Let's
either.
open it up.
Oh, this is hard to do.
It's like Christmas came early.
What is this? Oh, this is heavy.
What is it?
What is this? It says tilting TV wall mount. What's a TV mount?
A TV mount. It's like what we have on the wall right here.
Oh, can I have it? Can I have it? No, I want to have it. No, I want to have it. No, I want to have it.
Okay, you guys can do rock, paper, scissors.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh. I could get the next
TV
gift,
mount.
maybe. The next one will be yours.
But there's no more, is there?
I don't know. Who knows? This is the first time we're getting a gift delivered to us.
Okay, so who's this from?
I don't know.
Well, the sticker says it's from Mounting Dream.
What's a mountain?
So maybe they sent us a Christmas gift. Mounting Dream.
I don't know what's mountain. Maybe it's because they like our videos.
Maybe.
Mounting Dream.
So let's say thank you to Mounting Dream.
Thank you, Mounting Dream, for the TV mount.
And for the early Christmas present. Uh-huh.
Let's get this started, man. Let's put this up.
Okay, so this is what we got in the package. So it came with an HDMI cord. It also came with a viewing height chart to show you how high to put your TV on the wall. It came with 2 mounting plates, as well as 2 TV brackets. And then there's also a little mini level. And last but not least, we have the hardware, which includes some screws, TV screws, spacers, washers, bolts, whatever you need, an Allen key. So this is what we got in the package, and now we are about to mount this guy in Peyton's room. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Hopefully when it's done, it'll look like this TV that we have up on the wall.
Okay, guys, this is where I want my TV mount.
Okay, boss. Let's get this started. All right, guys. So we're getting ready to mount our Mounting Dreams TV mount, and honestly, it's looking really easy. The process only takes 3 simple steps. First step is attach brackets to the TV. Second step is mount wall plate to the wall. And the third step is simply just hanging your TV onto the wall plate. Just before we get started, as a disclaimer, it's important that you guys do not mount this onto just drywall. This installation is made for brick walls, wood walls, or cement walls. So be sure to hit stud, cement, or your brick when you're anchoring the wall plate. Another thing to add, with this simple installation, all you need is a screwdriver, some kind of socket, and a measuring tape and pencil. The first step is mounting the brackets to the TV. Pretty straightforward. So I'll get this TV here. Peyton's TV isn't extremely big, which is gonna make this super easy for me. These guys are mounting brackets. They'll go at the back of the TV. Here is the wall mounting hardware and TV mounting hardware. So, depending on the depth of your screw holes on the back of your TV, you'll be using the screws C, D, E, or F. So I will be figuring out what screw I would need by just simply process of elimination. And And C doesn't work for me. So I'll try D. D's a bit too small. I'll try E. And I found E. Perfect fit. So in this case, I will be using screw E, and I have to find out what spacer I need, and I'll be using washer J. That's pretty cool. Just pops out like that. And we got this like that. All right, that's perfect. So with this TV, we found out that for hardware, we will be using the screw E, the spacer H, and we're gonna be using J as our washer. Now that I found out what I need for hardware, I'm just gonna continue the process for the remainder of the screw holes. And maybe just start screwing it into the hole. That way it's in there snug. And then now, just finish it off with the screwdriver. Just gonna double check that all these are tight. You really don't need to put too much force on it just because you don't want to strip the screws. But there we have it. There's our TV brackets. Our TV brackets are on the back of our TV. And now we're going to move on to mounting our wall plate to our wall. All right, guys, so now I'm getting ready to mount my wall plate to the wall. All right, so we figured out that the center of Peyton's back wall is actually 65 inches. So 65 inches, make a little mark there. And according to expert advice, on this chart, it's giving you a recommendation of having your TV to be 42 inches from the floor to your center mark. This may vary depending on what you may have underneath the TV, but for us, we are gonna stick with the chart. There's my center mark. Next, I'm gonna be finding the studs, which are wood, to see where my studs are actually located. Now we'll do the other side. All right, so we found our studs. We have one here and one here. Perfect, which is really close to where we actually wanted our center to be. With my optimal viewing height guide, I'm just gonna place that in line with my studs that I found and see where my new center is gonna be. And perfect. And it works out, our center works out to being, is actually a little black mark in this guide. And our center is actually gonna work out to being right there. We'll be screwing our two wall plates together. Just like that. And then we'll do all three of them, well, three that are left. so we have our wall plate all put together with our 4 screws. Pretty strong, pretty sturdy. And I'm simply just gonna put my wall plate onto my wall. And as you can see, I have my stud marks here, and they actually line up well with the spacing that are on this wall plate. It's important to note, guys, that this wall plate works perfectly with 24-inch stud spacing. If your studs are 24-inch spacings, you're good, and anything within that. Just make sure that you shift it however way you need to, just to make sure that you get the studs lined up with the holes. Now what I'm gonna do is trace out the screw holes. So that's where I'll be screwing my bolts into my wood studs. So the next step, guys, would be just to actually screw these screws into your little marks here. I like to just make a slight little hole just to get myself started. Oh, definitely hitting stud there. Definitely hitting stud there. Definitely hitting stud there. And I'm hitting stud there. So we're all good in terms of hitting stud. So now I'll just get my wall plate. We'll grab our level. It's all good. So that's where I'll be screwing my bolts into my wood studs. So I'm just gonna grab my level here that we got in our kit. Make sure that our plate is nice and leveled. As you can see, I have my wall plate mounted and it's super sturdy. And a good way to test that it's sturdy is just yanking on it. And if that isn't moving, you know you've installed it correctly. Now the third step, literally pick up your TV and hang it onto your wall plate and make your little adjustments. The good thing I like about this wall mount is the fact that you're able to tilt the TV up and down to get a better angle. And yeah, I'll show you how to do that now. Next, you'll need your Allen key that you got in your hardware pack. And all you're gonna do is loosen up the screw, the inside screw of the TV bracket, pull this guy out, and retighten it. Then we'll do the exact same for the other side. Loosen up the screw on the side of the TV bracket, lift up, and retighten. All you're doing is picking up your TV and hanging it on your wall mount that you've secured to the wall. Once you've made your fine-tuned adjustments, pull the 2 strings down below to lock your TV in place. It's that easy. As you can see, guys, our Mountain Dream TV mount has been installed successfully. Our TV is hanging securely and firmly, locked in, and isn't going anywhere. Peyton is gonna be super excited, and it was honestly probably one of the easiest things I've ever done. Those 3 steps were as easy as ABC, and anyone could do it. Anyways, let's see what Peyton thinks about his TV mount. Let's get his full reaction. Hey Peyton!
Coming, Papa.
Come check out your TV mount. Tell me what you think.
That's awesome. It looks like the one downstairs. I can't wait to watch TV and play video games on it too. Hey Zara, Maya, come on. Look at my new TV mount.
Okay. Whoa, it looks so cool, Peyton. I want one too.
Maybe you can get it one for Christmas.
Okay.
The only thing that's left for us to do is to tilt the TV down. That way Peyton can have a better viewing angle of the TV while he's sitting comfortable in bed. Thank you, Mountain Dream, for the TV mount.